Welcome to Carrylug, your smarter way to send items across borders. Connect with trusted travelers, forwarders, and shipping companies. Let us walk you through the simple steps to become a sender and book your first deal. First, create your account by entering your personal details. Once you've signed up, log in using your email and password, or save time by signing in with your Google account. When you land on your dashboard, you'll see your pending and active deals, whether you're shipping or requesting a purchase. Get to know the main menu. You can send messages, track orders, and search for available trips. Click the top right corner to adjust your profile settings. Here, you can change your password, verify your trust level, give or view feedback, and save your favorite users. Ready to send something? Just switch your profile mode to Sender. To find a shipper, click Find Trip in the menu. You can search all available trips or apply filters to narrow them down. Click the eye icon to view trip details. Then switch to either the Shipping or Purchasing tab, depending on your need. If you're shipping an item, add the item name, images, weight, dimensions, and any special notes. You can include multiple items in one deal. Note: some shippers charge per item or use special rates. Check before booking. If you're requesting a purchase, upload the item images and enter your expected price range. You can also offer a reward to the shipper for their help. Now, choose your payment method. Credit card is recommended for security and added benefits. Cash is also possible, but must be arranged directly with the shipper. Next, choose how your item will be delivered: local pickup or postal delivery handled by the shipper. Then, click Book Now. Once booked, your deal appears as pending. When accepted, it becomes active. You can track its status in the Orders tab. Click the deal to view or edit it before acceptance. After the shipper's acceptance, you'll receive a confirmation email. Use the in-app chat to coordinate drop-off or delivery. The shipper will confirm the final weight or price. You must approve it before completing payment. Once confirmed, complete your payment. We recommend using a credit card for protection. If paying by cash, you must handle it directly with the shipper. When your item arrives, mark it as Confirmed Received in the app. Don't forget to rate and review the shipper. Your feedback builds trust across the Carrylug community. And that's it. With Carrylug, sending is smarter, safer, and way easier.